Standard, and the name of the chapter is Akbar Birbal Come from Heaven. You might have read the stories of Akbar and Birbal. They are very much common and very much interesting also. So you must have read the story, and today I'm going to tell you a new story. So what happens? The name of the chapter is only Akbar Birbal Come from Heaven. So you must have understood that they are talking about that they have come from heaven. So once upon a time when Akbar and Birbal, when they came from heaven, so after a long time they had come back to their own place. So everything had changed. It had been years, and everything had changed. Now there were metros, there were cabs, there were shops, there was no river water, no wells, and there were no forests even. Everything had changed. At first they come and they stop a man, and then they ask him that can we get a carrot here, a horse carrot here. So then that man says that you won't find any kind of horse carrot here. Instead of that, you'll find a cab, you'll find a metro, or you'll find anything else, but you're not going to find this. So they were very astonished to hear this. So then this Birbal answers. He says that he replies that Your Majesty, I would not want to sit in any kind of cab or any kind of car, because they have a very high speed and I'm scared to sit in that. Then Akbar says, okay then. Akbar says that okay then, we'll go like that only, let's walk and go. Then Akbar starts feeling thirsty, so he tells Birbal to get water for him. So Birbal stops a man and asks him that could you please find a well or a river for us? Could you please tell us where we can find a well or a river, because we are feeling very thirsty. So that man tells him that you won't find any river. River water is not good for drinking, it's contaminated, and you will not find any well also. Instead of that, you'll go to a shop and you'll get a bottle of mineral water. So then he says, what is a mineral water? So then that man replies, it's a purified kind of water that you can go and ask that shopkeeper, and he's going to give you, and you'll really like it. So then they listen to that man, and then they go to a shop and ask for a bottle of mineral water. So the shopkeeper says, please give me 25 rupees for this bottle, so I'll give you this. So Birbal says, I do not have money, but instead of that I can give you a gold coin. So that shopkeeper thinks that how foolish these people are, that they are giving a gold coin just for a bottle worth rupees 25. He doesn't understand, and he just keeps that coin. So then they go more further, and Akbar says that I want to hunt. I have not hunted for so long. So could you please find the forest? Could you please find the wild animals where I can go and hunt? So Birbal asks a man. So that man tells him that hunting is completely illegal, and if you want to hunt, if you want to see the animals, then you must go to a zoo, and you will not find any forest, because the place where you are standing used to be a forest earlier, but now the buildings have been constructed here. So you will not find any kind of forest, so just give up this idea of hunting. So then they go more further. All of a sudden, a man with a mask comes before and stands before them and tells them to give all the jewelries to that man, and he threatens them. So Birbal says, Your Majesty, we shall not come under any kind of problem, so just give the jewelry to this man and let's run away from here. So then they do the same. They give the jewelry to that man, and that man runs away. Now the next moment only they realize that they have made a mistake, and they shouldn't have given the jewelry and all everything to that masked man. So then they come to a man and ask him that could you please tell us where the king lives, because we want to give we want to complain, we want to put a complaint against this man who has dropped our jewelry. So that man says that we do not have any king, but the police station is the place where all these things are handled very easily. So you must go to a police station and put a complaint against what has happened with you. So then they go to a police station, and the policeman asks them, what is your problem? Then they declare the entire condition, the entire incident to that man, the policeman. So then they catch two thieves. So then they recognize that thief, and in this way they get their jewelry back. So it was very astonishing for them to survive in this different kind of world where they had when they had already survived earlier, but it had been years. So it had completely changed. So this is the end of the chapter. I hope you understood the chapter. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, please take care. Bye.